everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2017 Toyota Tundra SR5 and a gray metallic exterior. I would like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end of the vehicle, the first thing you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights. Dropping down below that, you'll see that it also comes equipped with running fog lights with that beautiful chrome trim there as well. Moving here into the middle, you'll see that it comes with a black grille insert along with the chrome trim and that patented beautiful chrome Toyota logo. And then the final thing I want to point out here in the front is down below, you will also have towing hooks. As we make our way to the side of the vehicle, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, I do just want to point out before we show you this interior, don't ever worry about your mirrors getting frosted up in the wintertime because they are heated. But moving forward, let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful two-tone gray on black cloth interior. Not to mention, it will have a black matte dash finish here as well with some of this silver trim here. But while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box. Grab the inspection sheet out, guys, showing you the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Toyota Tundra, your tire depths will be 14 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 17 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 16 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful black on gray two-tone cloth interior will stay the same. Now, I do just want to point out that behind your driver and passenger seat, you will have a 12-volt plug-in. And then located here between the back seats in the middle, you will have a pull-down center console with two cup holders. Here at the rear of the vehicle now, this Toyota Tundra will come equipped with a hitch and receiver for all of your hauling needs. Not to mention, it will have a backup camera for your added convenience. But go ahead and dropping down this tailgate, go ahead and show you guys the bed. It will come with a beautiful drop-in bed liner. And then it will have these hooks back here as well for anything that you would need to strap down. And then I do just want to point out that this bed cover will also come included with this Toyota Tundra. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power windows, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here from Toyota. Awesome. Now, I do just want to preference this and say that this vehicle will come with just over 65,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, there will be your power mirror options as well as some different lighting options to shine the light on your bed as well as the driver brightness display. And then this button here is to take down your entire rear window. Go ahead and leave that down for now. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be all of your headlight adjustments as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side will be all your windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be for your driver display options as well as your volume control there located below. And on the right side, you'll have your touch-to-talk options. Coming here into the middle, it will come with a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, an auxiliary line in, navigation, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. Then you'll have all of the options there along the sides for that. Not to mention you'll have the climate control here at the touch of your fingertips. You'll be your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive here, located down below. These front seats will be heated as well. Not to mention you'll have two 12-volt plug-ins as well as a USB-C and that auxiliary line in. You'll have a small storage compartment or a cup holder up top here. Two cup holders located behind that as well as a small little storage compartment there. Your shifter there. And then go ahead and lifting this up, a large glove box or a center console, I apologize, with a 12-volt plug-in here as well. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have a sunglass holder up front, as well as the option to open and close your sunroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 FDOHC 32V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. And like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. Making our way down the passenger side of the body. The tires seem to be in good condition. Making our way back. The running boards here are in good condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings on them. Making our way back here towards the bed of the truck. Once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings along the body. Whenever we get back here towards the tailgate, however, you will have a couple of your small typical trunk scratches here on the cover. Go ahead and dropping this down. You guys can see the couple of scratches along the tailgate. Go ahead and dropping that down. This bed liner has been used pretty decently. However, it is in still very good condition. Putting that back up, making our way down the passenger or driver side of the body of the tailgate and bed. No scratches, no marks, no dings. Down here along the body, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings. This was an extremely well-maintained vehicle. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2017 Toyota Tundra SR5. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in Collinsburg, PA.